Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial video on how to add a team. Now this tutorial video will be aimed at getting provincial heads acquainted with adding their club teams for the upcoming Champions Cup. So getting started, we'll need to hover over teams and then click on add new. Now once we've reached the add a new team page, we then need to enter the name of our team. In this case, I'm just going to put in my team because this is just an example. Then scrolling down, we're going to choose the team type. So national, provincial, or club. Club is already selected by default in this instance, so that's fine. Parent, don't worry about the parent category. If the club has a Facebook page, you can enter it here, or the Twitter handle, you can also enter it here. And the leagues, let's say, for instance, just going to be the Champions Cup men. Season would be 2018. Home, we choose the name of the province that the club comes from. So I'm just going to go ahead and click Gauteng. If the club has a website, you can also enter it here. And then the abbreviated name for the club, for example, in the case of Eastern Cape Eagles, the abbreviated name we use would be EC. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in M here for my team. And then select our logo. So once you have a logo, you can upload your logo. You select your files and then choose a logo that you want to use for your team. I've already uploaded, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on it. And then be sure to enter the name of your team here by the alt text field. Because if someone tries to search for the name of your team on Google, then Google will automatically know that this logo is associated with your team. So once that's done, your logo will be uploaded and you're good to go. Now you can submit for review. Now, once you click on submit for review, it'll be escalated to the Volleyball South Africa officials who will then review your submission and approve it. So that concludes this tutorial video on how to add a team. The next tutorial video, we will go about adding players to your club team. So see you soon.